Good CrafterNoon, everyone, and welcome to a Valentine edition of CrafterNoon Adventures. Today we will be making this scrap fabric wreath made with items printed on our 3D printer and scrap fabric. So let's get started on today's project. Supplies we'll need for today's project are a heart frame, and this heart I made, designed, and printed on our 3D printers. Heart frames can be quite expensive if you buy them at your craft hobby store. This one I made, and it was about $2, maybe $1.80, something like that. But it's nice and small and cute and easy to print. You're also going to need about 1/4 worth of fabric, or a fat quarter. Now, what is a fat quarter? Essentially, a fat quarter is about 1/4 of a yard, and it is in like a rectangle shape. It's about 18 by 21 inches. You can buy these at any craft store. They make projects like this super easy. So what you need to do with your fat quarter is to cut it into about 6 by 6 pieces of fabric, and then take a scissors and snip the ends so they're about 1/4 to 1/2 inch long. And here comes the fun part. If you're not a Valentine person like I am not, you can take those bad boyfriend vibes and rip them apart. Once you have scored the fabric, you can go ahead and rip them all the way across. It's kind of a fun thing to do. Makes a great noise. If you're having a bad day, you can take it out on your fabric, and it's a lot easier than cutting all those straight lines, I'll tell you that. So once you have all of your strips ripped apart, we're going to start assembling our little wreath. So take your strip, fold it in half, wrap it around the frame, slip the two ends of the fabric between that loop, and pull tight, just like that. And you're probably going to want to start, start anywhere you want. I'm going to start at the middle, so that peak is right there, like that. And then just continue on. If your strips aren't perfectly the same length, no worries. That just adds to the charm of this little fabric wreath. And look at how easy this is. Sometimes you got to get rid of some of the threads, but that is okay. That is okie doke. And just continue on around your frame. Try to make sure they're all even. That one was a little cattywampus, but that's okay. So let's continue around the frame, wrapping our scrap fabric. So this is what it looks like when you have completely finished your heart design. You're going to want to squish them close together so you get a real full, fluffy heart. It's perfectly fine to have them look a little shredded. You can use multiple colors of fabric if you like. That would be pretty. You can also add a little hanger at the top to hang on your window or door. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Thanks for joining us today.